How to fix Roblox not launching. Firstly, give your device a quick restart. Sometimes minor issues like this can get fixed with a simple restart. After restarting your device, check for any updates that may be available for the Roblox app. For this, open App Store or Play Store on your device. After that, search for Roblox. Now look for any kind of updates that may be available. If there's an update option available, click on the update option to update your app. If not, go back to your home page. Now open settings on your device and scroll down. Click on the option Apps. Inside Apps, go to the search bar on the top and search for Roblox. Click on the Roblox app to go to App Info. Here scroll down and select the option Storage under the section Usage. Now if any cache is available, click on the Clear Cache option at the bottom right corner to clear your cache. If the Roblox app is still not opening, then try to uninstall. Try uninstalling the Roblox app and reinstall. Sometimes these kind of issue might arise due to your network connection, so make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is smooth. That's all for today. Thank you.